Well, they're redoing the main entrance to the Polynesian. So this is all glass fogged up over here, so you can't see out. But they do have a display of what it's going to look like over here, which I think is pretty cool. So this was the new monorail station and the new main entrance to the Polynesian. Watch that first step out of the second floor from the Grand Ceremonial House, Polynesian. It's a doozy. Presumably that bridge will be coming back when they finish the new station. So they're rebuilding the monorail station and a new main entrance to the Grand Ceremonial House here at the Polynesian. Wonder if they're planning to expand the parking too. Parking is always at a premium at this hotel. The Tambu Lounge isn't open right now, but they do have a citrus surfer mug that's available that you would normally get at Trader Sam's Grog Grotto, but that's closed. So I was hoping the lounge would be open so I could get my mug. Have to come back later. There's definitely doing some remodeling work over here on this side of the Polynesian. They got little tarps in the windows over here.